Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Simple lang, edi maging sweet ka. Okay, paano? How? Always say I love you, I miss you. Be cute, be nice, yes, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Okay, right, so. Always na mag-date, kain sa labas. Pasyal, gala, okay. I-treat mo siya, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Regaluhan mo. Chocolate, cake, donut. Iced coffee, okay. Coffee kayo together every mornings, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Yakapin mo, i-love mo, kiss mo. Paano mas maging sweet kay GFBF? Okay. Dapat palagi kayo na magkasama. Kahit na saan pa kayo magpunta. Travel, Japan, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay GFBF? Timplahan mo ng kape. Pumunta ng Starbucks at Dunkin. Or Dunkin at doon kumain at uminom ng kape. Okay, paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Regaluhan mo ng pabango. Send sweet messages to him or her. Okay, palagi na pumunta sa kanila. Okay, maging mabait sa parents niya or kapatid niya. Okay, yes, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Okay, regaluhan siya ng aso na cute. Chow chow, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Okay, mag-breakfast together, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF, okay. Palagi na tumambay sa kanila. Anli yakap, anli kiss, okay. Thank you pala for always watching my videos here. At speak up, dear. Okay, paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Send letters, okay. Greet him or her always. Good morning, good night, okay. Good morning, good night, okay. Tawagan mo siya palagi, okay. Sana nakakatulong ako sa life journey mo. Through my love and life advices. Dito sa Speak Up, dear. Okay, yes, opo, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Music kayo together, okay. Siya dapat ang una mong naaalala at naiisip sa mornings. Okay, at kapag bago matulog. Okay, yes, opo, okay. Paano mas maging sweet kay BFGF? Okay, love mo siya, kiss mo siya. Yakap mo siya, okay. As in Anli. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you have a bright day. Salamat po.